The United States Constitution is made up of 7 articles. These articles lay out the basic structure of the federal government and define the powers of the various branches, as well as the methods of amendment and other fundamental aspects of the nation's governing document. Additionally, there are 27 amendments that have been added since the Constitution's original ratification. Preamble. We the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. Article 1. The Legislative Branch. Section 1. All legislative powers herein granted shall be vested in a Congress of the United States, which shall consist of a Senate and House of Representatives. Section 2. The House of Representatives shall be composed of members chosen every second year by the people of the several states, and the electors in each state shall have the qualifications requisite for electors of the most numerous branch of the state legislature. Sections 2-10 further describe the structure, powers, and operation of the legislative branch. Article 2. The Executive Branch. Section 1. The executive power shall be vested in a President of the United States of America. He shall hold his office during the term of 4 years, and, together with the Vice President, chosen for the same term, be elected as follows. Sections 1-4 further describe the structure, powers, and operation of the executive branch. Article 3. The Judicial Branch. Section 1. The judicial power of the United States shall be vested in one Supreme Court and in such inferior courts as the Congress may from time to time ordain and establish. The judges, both of the Supreme and inferior courts, shall hold their offices during good behavior and shall, at stated times, receive for their services a compensation which shall not be diminished during their continuance in office. Sections 1-3 further describe the structure, powers, and operation of the judicial branch. Article 4. The States. Sections 1-4 describe the relationship between the states and the federal government. Article 5. Amendments. The Congress, whenever 2/3 of both houses shall deem it necessary, shall propose amendments to this Constitution, or, on the application of the legislatures of 2/3 of the several states, shall call a convention for proposing amendments, which, in either case, shall be valid to all intents and purposes, as part of this Constitution when ratified by the legislatures of 3/4 of the several states, or by conventions in 3/4 thereof, as the one or the other mode of ratification may be proposed by the Congress. Article 6. The Supremacy Clause, this Constitution, and the laws of the United States which shall be made in pursuance thereof, and all treaties made, or which shall be made, under the authority of the United States, shall be the supreme law of the land, and the judges in every state shall be bound thereby, anything in the Constitution or laws of any state to the contrary notwithstanding. Article 7. Ratification. The ratification of the conventions of 9 states shall be sufficient for the establishment of this Constitution between the states so ratifying the same. There you have it, the 7 articles which lay out the basic structure of the federal government. Please see video W244 for the full list of amendments.